Hello, students. Very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are fine and safe with the grace of God. Let us start our session with Ganesh Slok. So, join your hands and close your eyes, all of you. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryesu Sarvada. Okay, students, I hope you all are fine. जैसे दीपक चमकते हैं वैसे ही चमके आपके भविष्य, उन्नति और प्रगति से भरा हो आपका आने वाला वर्ष. Wishing you a successful year in the studies on Diwali. May sweet fruits of your hard work make us all proud of you. All of you, happy Diwali and happy New Year. Now we will start after Diwali. It is our first session, right? So I hope you all have enjoyed this Diwali vacation. Have you burst firecrackers? Have you eat sweets? Have you wear new clothes? Yes, so I hope you all have enjoyed this vacation. Now coming back to the studies, we have to start again our work, right? Now as you can see on my screen, we will start our after Diwali first session with English subject. Last time we have completed English book 1. Now take out this book number 2, that is my English workbook, and in this particular book we are going to learn how to write cursive alphabets. I again repeated, cursive alphabets we are going to write in this book. So all of you have enjoyed writing cursive. One more thing I want to mention, that many of the students have completed their book properly, but some of the students I found they are not complete properly. So I hope you all have complete your work as and when it is assigned to you. Okay, otherwise I frequently told you कि if you will not complete your work, it is piled up, यानी बहुत सारा इकट्ठा हो जाएगा, फिर आपको करने में भी वो बोरिंग लगेगा. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो जैसे ही मैं आपको होमवर्क दूं वो वर्क उसी दिन पे आप कंप्लीट कर लो. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, विथ दिस नोट वी विल स्टार्ट दिस बुक, राइट? टेक आउट योर बुक and first of all we are going to write this quick revision, right? This is what? ABCD. Complete the alphabet, that is a quick revision, right? I am going to give you these alphabets in homework because here you have to write ABCD in capital, right? And the next page you have to write in a second alphabet, यानी small ABCD में लिखना है. Write the missing, यानी ABCD. Likewise you have to complete this. So first 2 page I am going to give you in the homework. Right now cursive सीखने से पहले बच्चों हमें कुछ कर्व्स सीखने जरूरी है, because cursive itself word का मीनिंग क्या है? कर्व्स. कर्व्स यानी कर्सिव में लिखने के लिए we must know the कर्व्स. सो उसके लिए हमें कुछ पैटर्न्स पढ़नी बहुत ही जरूरी होती है. आप इसकी जितनी भी प्रैक्टिस करोगे उतने आपके कर्सिव के राइटिंग बहुत अच्छे होंगे. Okay, so I assure you, if you complete this pattern properly, you will get the beautiful handwriting. Okay, students, so with this note, we will start the pattern. Now, you just have to trace this. Okay, students. Now, keep your pencil lid here and follow the dot. going upside, thereafter coming to downside, again going upside, because cursive is all about the curves. Okay. So once you have a grip on the curves, you must have your beautiful handwriting. Downside, thereafter take a U-turn, going up, thereafter down, up, thereafter down, okay. So like this way you have to make a practice. ओके, वन मोर थिंग बच्चों को बताना ये भी है कि बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स ने मुझे रफ बुक भी चेकिंग के लिए भेजी थी और उसमें भी उन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस की थी, राइट जो हमने प्रीवियस जो रिवीजन में वर्क लिया था या फिर कुछ जो लेटर्स थे अल्फाबेट्स थे वो भी बहुत अच्छे से लिखे थे, नंबर्स भी लिखे हुए थे. सो आई मस्ट अप्रिशिएट ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स, those who have done very very nicely at home, right? So make a practice for this also, students. Thereafter next pattern is just like our mountain style, right? ये जो hills होती है या फिर mountains जब हम draw करते हैं तो they are just in this way, right? ऐसी ही designs होती है ना उसमें. So you have to just follow the dots. Okay, my dear students. So, like this way, you have to complete this pattern. Now, next करेंगे. यहाँ पे ऊपर कर्व की जैसा था, नीचे भी कर्व जैसा था. यहाँ पे सीधी लाइन्स है, right? But you do not use the scale here. I again repeat it. Please do not use the scale. You have to just follow the dots only. Right, the slant line you can say. This is a downward slant, thereafter upward slant, thereafter the downward lines, again upward going slowly, thereafter downwards. Downward में हम कैसे फटाफट से आते हैं ना, जैसे स्टेप्स नीचे उतरने होते हैं, स्टेप्स डाउन होते हैं तो हम फटाफट से नीचे आ जाते हैं, और जब स्टेप्स अप करना होता है तो इट वुड बी लिटिल बिट डिफिकल्ट, isn't it students? Yes, so when we are going upside, little bit slowly because we want the perfect shape. Thereafter when we go down, little bit faster, but make sure your line should be perfect. Okay, then again going upside and again. Do not haphazard. Go slowly for the downward. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, और ये वाला मैं आपको होमवर्क में दे रही हूँ. अगेन डू नॉट यूज द स्केल. दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट सेशन, सो आई कंप्लीट दिस सेशन राइट हियर ओनली. गुड बाय, टेक केयर. Please complete your work. Next time we will meet. We will continue. Goodbye. Take care and have a nice day all of you.